Hello, so today we are going to solve this problem, length of last word. So problem is like we have a string consist of words and spaces. We have to return the length of last word in the string. Okay, so word is defined over a word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. Okay, so let's look at the example first. So over here we have this string, and the last word of this string is going to be this one, and its length is 5. Okay, that's why 5 is returned over here. Similarly, so the last word would be moon. Okay, so for this its length is going to be 4. Similarly, last word would be this, so the length would be going to be 6. Okay, now let's start solving our problem. So first we are going to remove these uh, spaces, okay, from the string. Then we would check that whether it's an empty string or not. Okay, so uh, post that we would split the whole string, and then we would check the length of last one. That's all. Okay, so let's start. So is doing string if length of is 0, then we would simply do return 0. Else what we would do, we would return the first list. Let's split this, split over a space. Okay, now we would return the length of last word. Okay, now let's run this test case. I run this code. No, sorry, it's not trim, it's strip. A strip. Okay, yeah, so all the test cases are in first. Now let's submit this code. Okay, so this code has been submitted successfully. So yeah, that's the solution. If you have any doubt, please comment, and uh, comment your questions. And thank you for watching, guys. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.